Well, I started off welding my entire life from the farm, then trade school. Made my way around the country building wind farms, and then I wanted to come home, start a family. Three Rivers had an opening, so I took it.
After high school, I went to Gates Welding for a little bit. And once school started, I came here. I got taught all the positions: flat, vertical, horizontal, overhead.
When they leave TRC, they'll be able to start any fabrication shop, go out on the road. They could start their own business anywhere.
When I leave here, I get my degree, and then just go wherever I want, go on the road, pipeline.
Being able to teach welding and share experience is a big part.
Great program, close to home, it's affordable. Great teachers, they know what they're doing.
Three Rivers College.
Success starts here.